Hi, friend, this is Kiki. Today I will teach you how to exchange motors. First, open battery compartment cover, find 2 motor wires front and rear, total 6 wires. Then exchange Tyhe white connector, which is Hall. Then plug out all the 6 motor wires. Green, yellow and blue color. Also exchange the connectors. Front motor connectors connect to rear controller, rear motor connectors connect to front controller. Pay attention: yellow to yellow, blue to blue and green to green. If you have any other problem with your scooter, feel free to contact me. We have professional engineer, they will help you solve problem.